All right, we are back for part 2 of my 2-part unboxing series of the cheapest designer sneakers. So we just did the off-white pair of sneakers that we picked up for $220 US. If you guys want to see that video, I'll leave it linked down below. And next up, we have a pair of Y-3 sneakers that are really cheap. And I also picked up a Y-3 t-shirt. So these items were bought off of essence.com, not sponsored. I don't even have affiliate links with them, so I can't even make money if I give you guys the links to these items or just share them. But I'll leave a link to Essence in the description down below, so check them out. I paid 140 Canadian dollars for the sneakers in this box, which is equivalent to, let me pull up the US price, that's equivalent to $103 US. So $100 Y-3 sneakers. These are the cheapest Y-3 sneakers you can buy, $100, and that's including tax, or that's before tax. But oh my gosh, here we go. Got the box right here. We also got a Y-3 t-shirt as well. Let's open up the t-shirt that I have. The t-shirt was almost as expensive as the shoes, which is really funny. Let me pull up the email. The t-shirt was $80 Canadian, so like 50 US, half the price of the shoes. Oh, there we go. And I'm actually gonna be going to, I say this a lot, especially this week, but I'm going to Japan tomorrow. So if you guys wanna see the Japan vlogs, be sure to check them out. So if you guys wanna see some of the culture over there, I already have like 50 Japan vlogs already. So if you wanna do me a huge favor and binge watch my Japan vlogs, they will not disappoint you. I promise you, you will enjoy them. So here we have it. This is the first pickup. It is a Y-3 Yohji Yamamoto Adidas t-shirt. And let me just, ooh. All right. Ah, yeah, oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. That's so weird. So there's like different paneling of different materials on this shirt. This is a collaboration, you could say, with James Harden, the basketball player. And it's a really dope shirt. This is a size medium. It's gonna fit me nice. It has a really nice, luxurious designer feel to it. So let me show you guys right now. The upper of the shirt is like a thick upper. I'm talking in sneaker language. The main portion of the shirt, like the middle of it, is a like thick, heavy-duty kind of canvas material, I'd say. And then you have really nice, soft, like sweater panel ribbing on the side right here. Sort of hard to tell the difference on the camera. And then over here along the shoulders, there's a difference in material as well, which you guys can see. And it has more of like a bomber jacket kind of feel. Not like the cheap H&M canvas material. It's more of a more premium bomber jacket kind of feel on that. So really simple black shirt. No crazy Y-3 branding or anything like that on it. Very minimalist. And then the only detail or extra like design on the shirt is actually on the back behind you on the neck. So here's a look at that. Got that Y-3 detail with that little flower, Y-3, and yeah, no stitching or embroidery, just a small graphic print. And yeah, really clean shirt overall. Let me throw it on body and then we'll get to the sneakers. So Y-3 is typically known for being a very expensive shoe brand. They make really fashion forward or futuristic kind of sneakers. If you were to think of what would a ninja wear in the year 3038, that's the kind of footwear that Y-3 puts out. So yeah, it's a little wild, a little out there. If you're not a fan of Y-3, it totally makes sense because they're not a shoe or a brand that is necessarily meant for the mass market. It's a very niche kind of shoe. So if you're into tech wear, if you watch a lot of Naruto, I'm sure you're gonna like Y-3. I might just give these away if they don't fit me. So stick around to the end of the video if you guys want this Y-3 shoe. Because I think, yeah, I got a size 9.5, but at the end of the day, I've been buying so many sneakers lately. Maybe I should just bless one of you guys with this Y-3 shoe. Here, let me show you guys the box, what you get for $100 US from Y-3. $100 US is not the retail price, just a heads up. The retail price I can't seem to find, but I'll have the Y-3 or retail price on screen right now. So the box is just like any other Y-3 shoe box. It's all black, Very, very simple, very elegant. We have the Y-3 branding in orange right there, dead center. Then here's a look at the label. We got a size 9.5. For those of you guys who are not aware about Y-3 sizing, you absolutely need to go at least half a size down and even a full size down depending on the silhouette. But half a size down is just playing it safe. Don't get true to size. Your feet will be swamming. So let's get open the box. Boom. Y-3 dust bags. Really nice, simple dust bags. Y-3. Here's another one. Great for travel. And I think, I'm not sure which color we got. Was it the black or the white? If your shoes are white, you're gonna need those. If they're black, not so much. We also get some extra laces as well for $100 inside of this little black envelope. Pretty cool. And then taking a look at the contents itself. We got the black pair. We got the black pair right here. And oh my, these are so, what? I thought that was the insole. I legit thought this little tag was the insole for a second. These are very, very light. Holy cow. These are very bare bones. I can understand why these were on sale looking at them in person, but if you were looking to get into Y-3 at an entry-level price point, this will not disappoint you. This is actually really solid. So this sneaker here is the Y-3 Addy Zero Runner, and they have them in this black colorway, which I picked up for $100 US on Essence's website. They also have a white colorway, which I'll have up on screen right now. It's white with a small hit of black on the toe box, and these are fresh. These are pretty cool. Not my favorite Y-3 silhouettes. Definitely something I can understand not a lot of people would want to pay full retail price, because I'm sure full retail price is expensive. It has a full length boost. Let me give you guys a quick little 360 action right now. Some details up close. So it has a full length boost midsole right here. You guys can see it's quite thin on the boost side. It's not a very thick midsole compared to Ultra Boost. We have the black mesh upper on the side of the shoe. We have the extra details right here holding in the laces, black laces. We have a small little hit of this like white stitching on the side of the toe box right there. We have the Y-3 branding here on the tongue. Here's a look at that. I have a t-shirt that actually has this exact design, which is pretty funny. So if I were to wear these with the matching t-shirt, I guess that'd be a look. Here's a look at the back, the booty portion, a little action of that. And yeah, here's a look at the outsole. Very, very simple, bare bones sneaker. Here's a look at the insole. It has a leather lining, like a leather layer to the insole right here. So that's a really nice touch. It has a Y-3 embossed into the material. And here's a look at the bottom of it. Very bare bones, no gel, very simple insole. So size 9.5, the Addy Zero Runner is the name of the shoe. If you guys like the shoe, I'll leave it linked down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the cheapest Y-3 sneakers that you can buy. Are these a cop? Are these a drop? Would you consider buying these for $100 US? This is not a shoe I'd ever consider about paying full retail price. But with that said, it's definitely a solid sneaker for $100 US. I have no complaints for $100, that is for sure. If you guys did make it to the end of the video, do me a huge favor and comment your opinions on this particular shoe. Hit that thumbs up button down below. And actually, I don't really see myself wearing this shoe, so we're gonna do a giveaway. So the rules will be very simple. Subscribe to this channel, hit that red button down below, and then subscribe to my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, where I will be doing a full review of these shoes over on that channel. So one way to enter is by commenting your thoughts and opinions on this Y-3 shoe for $100. Is it worth it, a cop or a drop? You know, let me know your thoughts on these $100 Y-3 shoes, and let me know what brand I should buy, what designer brand I should try and buy next for the cheapest sneaker. And then over on the second channel, when I do a review for these, just be sure to comment what you think about the shoes over on there too. And yeah, very easy. So 2 ways to enter, and yeah, best of luck to everybody in this giveaway. Size 9.5, definitely go half a size down. So if you're usually a size 10, these size 9.5s will fit you perfectly. And yeah, with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. If you haven't yet binge watched my Japan vlogs, please binge watch them. I'll leave the Japan vlog playlist linked down below. I'll be pumping out some bangers over on there, getting you guys some exclusive content. And if you're Filipino like me, check out my Philippines vlogs, linked in the description down below too. With that said, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me on this video. Again, part 1 for the cheapest off-white sneakers you can buy will be linked down below too. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.